What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, we're going to be looking at the Tesla mats. These are the ones that Tesla sells you on their online store, and they are made by WeatherTech. So my car has the full set of WeatherTech mats, the front, the back, the frunk, and the trunk. So whole car WeatherTech mats. I usually clean my mats and my floor like very frequently, but I thought, hey, let me leave it in extra long. And I really want dirt to build up. So when I take off the mats, we can see how well of a job it does protecting the underside of the carpet. So you can see here, this is the driver's side. I'm going to take this one off first, and you can see how much dirt bypasses the WeatherTech mat. So you can see there's a huge buildup there and all the edges around. Important to note that the mats are fit perfectly. They don't have an outside lip. So it doesn't pick up all the dirt and stuff on the outside. So like I said, I normally clean my car very frequently, but just for the sake of this video, just for the sake of you guys, I left it in longer. The last time I talked about these mats were when I got them in November-ish, and I did like a first impressions video, so I figured, hey, let's do an update, like a review video of how well they work. So, I mean, the middle side of the mat, perfect. The edges look all the way around. Tons of dirt everywhere. So that was the passenger side. The front, though, the front mat and the trunk mat, they do work fairly well because it has a bigger lip. So you can see the front pretty clean. The carpet was clean. I took it off. The back seat. So I kind of wish the back seat was one continuous piece. It's split into two pieces, and it's supposed to have like grips to grip down so it doesn't move, but as you can see, mine moved. So just from people sitting in the back and having their feet push up against it and all that stuff, it just moves the mat. And you're going to see in just a sec, after I take off this one, there's more dirt. I was trying to be careful when I took it out so more dirt wasn't falling off the mat, so it gave like a fair review. But you'll see in just a sec that there's dirt that falls like underneath where the USB slot is, underneath the center console. So you'll see like this is all around the edges and stuff like that the mat just can't pick up because, I don't know, it just doesn't fit well. It doesn't have the edges. So, I mean, overall, not the greatest set of mats. Kind of disappointed. Like I said, the trunk one works well. What mats do you have? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. And let me know if it's good, if it works better than these. I want to change them. So that does it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Do subscribe for more Tesla content. Like the video. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.